Welcome to Redo with Lulu. So I'm all about healthier alternatives, and today we are redoing Taco Bell Nacho Fries, Lulu style. So for the fries, I'm using yuca. This is a delicious root vegetable that is typically available all year long. So yuca has so many benefits. It's high in vitamin C, and it can help promote a healthy immune system. Yuca does come with a high starch and carbohydrate content, so I definitely recommend enjoying this in moderation. So you start off by peeling the yuca, and then cutting them into thin slices, and we're gonna boil this first and then bake them in the oven so that they're extra crispy on the outside and then soft on the inside. So to some boiling water, I'm adding some sea salt, and then I'll go ahead and add the yuca pieces. And then we're gonna boil that for about 10 minutes. Then once they're nice and soft, we're gonna go ahead and season them with some olive oil and sea salt, and a little bit of cracked black pepper. And then on a parchment paper lined sheet, we're gonna go ahead and spread these out on a single evenly spaced layer and bake in the oven at 425 for about anywhere from 15 to 25 minutes. And while the fries are cooking up, we're gonna go ahead and prepare the best part of the redo, which is the cheese sauce. So this version is vegan and dairy free, and believe it or not, the base is gonna be a mixture of potatoes and carrots. So after you peel them, you're gonna go ahead and boil them. And then I'm gonna use the NutriBullet to go ahead and blend this up. So to this, I'll add a little bit of water, some olive oil, and some fresh lemon juice, and some sea salt. And we're gonna go ahead and blend. But what really makes this sauce, the flavors just super enhanced, is the addition of nutritional yeast. So we're gonna go ahead and add that in after the mixture is blended. So nutritional yeast can be found at most grocery stores and comes in a dry flaked form. This is a deactivated yeast. It's super nutrient dense and packed with lots of flavor that's similar to cheese. So we'll add that in and go ahead and mix it up, and I'm telling you, this tastes even better than nacho cheese. And the flavor is just really amped up when you add these diced green chilies. Pair this vegan cheese with some crispy yuca fries, and there you have it, Taco Bell Nacho Fries, Lulu style. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please thumbs up and spread the love. Thanks for watching.